Technology and your business. Ever wondered in manufacturing how much stock you have? What's the process now? You physically have to go and count item by item, or be in the C-suite, you may say, hey, let's organize a stock count. This is an exercise that shouldn't be done regularly. Technology can help with that. We can have technology implemented that will help you to know at a bird's eye view what stock is in hand, what's your fastest moving stock, what are customers purchasing, what do they like, what would they like to have, what you need to stock more in, what reorder points you should have. These are some of the things that technology can help with. Let's look at finance. Have you ever had a lot of spreadsheets to analyze? Without technology do that for you? We have dashboards that can churn out that information. You have all this data that you've collected on Excel, but you're unable to use it efficiently. We have tools in place in technology that can help you to analyze this data. Understand what is this data telling you about your business. Marketing. Have you ever wanted to know where your customers are located, what area they're coming from, how long does it take for them to get an item or purchase from you? Technology with a CRM solution can help you to understand all of these things about your business. So in general, technology helps you to understand your business, understand your customers, and be more efficient. It will let you know exactly what it is your customers want to purchase, what they're desiring, and how long does it take you to actually manufacture an item.